Hello, hello, good morning everyone, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and also to our international market. Welcome po sa NetWise Digital Innovation Business Presentation. Okay? So, about us. Business concept. NetWise Digital Innovation Corporation, empowering health, enriching lives with a dynamic digital solution company committed to transforming everyday transactions through technology, offering e-loading, bills payment, remittance, booking, ticketing, advertising, and other essential services. NetWise provides a seamless and secure platform that connects people, businesses, and opportunities in one digital ecosystem. Our mission and vision: to deliver innovative, reliable, and accessible digital services that make life easier, empower communities, and promote financial inclusion. To be the leading digital service provider recognized for innovation, trust, and excellence in connecting people and businesses through technology. Okay, next. So, our timeline. Nagsimula po kami noong 2023. That is our preparation and launch, market research and planning, setting up, product development, pre-launch and launch. Noong 2024 naman, dyan na po nag-start ang growth and expansion. So, we evaluate and adjust, expand marketing efforts, product and service expansion, strengthen operations. 2025 is scaling up, analyzing and optimize scale operations. So ngayon pong 2026, improving services and products, understand customer needs, implement technology, marketing, and branding. Ayan. So next, here's our corporate team, NetWise corporate team. Si Mr. Mariano Vergara Jr., ang ating pong COO, VP for Sales and Training, si Mr. Eldridge De Castro, and our President, Herbert Ingles. Ayun. Okay. So, our office location, guys. So, we have Unit 8, Bison Building, Naga Road, Pulang Lupa, 2, Las Piñas City. Yan po ang ating virtual office. And coming soon naman po, ang ating second office is second floor, B2 Banawes de Santa Rosa Building, Reyes Street, Barangay Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ayan. So, ang ating pong business na NetWise ay legal and registered on Security and Exchange Commission. So, as a NetWise Digital Innovation Corporation. So, you can check po sa ating SEC. And our markets, meron po tayong Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And also, meron po tayong international markets. And marami pa pong nagbubukas ng countries na nakakarating po ang ating business. Okay? So next naman, so the core aim of NetWise Digital Innovation Corporation is to build a comprehensive digital ecosystem in the Philippines by distributing physical consumer goods like healthcare products, providing a suite of digital services including e-commerce, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, bills payment, e-loading, and remittance. So welcome to NetWise, which offers holistic approach and solution to all your necessities. So we have the all-in-one digital business platform. One platform, endless possibilities, limitless success. So we have the affiliate marketing, e-commerce, dropshipping, e-wallet, e-loading, bills payment, remittance, and many more. Ayan. So one platform, endless solution, smarter business, better life, connect, grow, and succeed. So powered din po yan by Mocha or Mobile Cashback. Okay. So next. Okay, so now we have a health and wellness products empowering a healthier, better you. So we have a glutathione collagen alkaline vitamin C with zinc. Yan po yan ang ating Kauri White. At meron din po tayong Caffeinea, which is the slimming and whitening coffee. And then ating pong Stem C Plus. Yan po ang ating vitamin C, Deer Placenta Stem Cell with zinc. And the Vitalax Elixir, yan po yung ating healthy beverage juice or healthy juice drinks. Ayan. So, immune support, strengthen your body defense, beauty and glow, natural ingredients carefully selected for your wellness, energy and vitality to boost your energy for a better you, advanced formulas powered by science and innovation, delicious and healthy, great taste with powerful benefits, easy to consume, convenient for your busy lifestyle, total wellness for healthy and better life. Ayan. Premium quality you can trust, science back result, safe and effective for daily use, your wellness. Ayun. So, pag-usapan po natin guys, ang top 10 leading diseases in the Philippines based on the report from the Philippine Statistics Authority and Department of Health or DOH. Ayan. So, number 1 is the ischemic heart disease. Number 2, cancer, stroke, pneumonia, diabetes mellitus, hypertensive disease, chronic lower respiratory disease, tuberculosis, dengue fever, kidney disease. Ayan. So, ito po yung mga common na sakit po na nararanasan po natin sa Philippines at hindi lang po dito sa Pinas and pati na rin po sa other countries. Ayan po yan. So, syempre, ang kailangan po kasi natin gawin, pangunahin na kailangan ayusin is yung healthy diet, regular exercise, avoid smoking, manage stress, good hygiene and sanitation, vaccination and consultation kung kinakailangan para po maiwasan natin ang itong mga top 10 na sakit or kung ano pa man yung ibang mga sakit na possible po natin nakuha because of improper diet. Ayan po yan. So, ito, the major risk factor of diseases, lifestyle environment factor affecting public health. Ayan. Number 1 dito, bakit nga ba tayo nagkakasakit? Dahil sa unhealthy diet. Ayun. High intake of processed foods. So, hindi na po natin maiwasan yan kasi nga napakarami na po sa market ng mga processed food. Sugar drinks, yan, mga soft drinks, mga sito, kung ano-ano pang mga matatamis na inumin. Ayan po, and saturated fats can lead to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic condition. Ayun, so number 2 is smoking. Ayun, so it can damage the lungs, weaken the immune system, and greatly increase the risk of cancer, heart diseases, stroke, and respiratory illness. Pero ito po, mag-ingat din po tayo, lalo na mahirap po yung second-hand smoker. Smoker, yun po yun. So, iwas po tayo dun sa mga tao na naninigarilyo, wag po tayong tatabi dun kasi yun po ang karamihan na mas malala po na natatanggap na usok, kaya po nagkakasakit. Ayun. Lack of exercise, physically inactivity can lead to obesity, weak muscles, heart disease, and other problems, health problems. Actually, hindi na po maiwasan to sa ngayon dahil marami pong trabaho ngayon na talagang lack of exercise, especially yung pong mga nasa BPO, 'di ba? So lagi pa lang po sila nakaupo, puyat, graveyard kasi yung schedule. So ayun, pagkatapos kinamagahan, wala na, itutulog na lang, 'di ba? So stress, chronic stress can affect mental health and increase the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and weakened immunity. So ayun. So because of stress, marami pong pinanggagalingan yan, di ba? So pollutions, air pollutions and toxic exposure can cause respiratory diseases, asthma, heart problems, and other serious health issues. Ayun. So hindi na po natin ito maiwasan, lalo na nasa city po tayo. Gusto man natin magstay sa provinces, kaya lang wala pong maayos na trabaho. Nandito talaga sa city. So kaya kailangan na po natin mag-ingat. Okay? So alcohol use, yun, excessive po sa pag-inom. So yung tipong araw-araw ka na uminom, halos sinabing occasionally, pero halos araw-araw may okasyon, inom ka rin, di ba? So, because of that, yun po ang naging cause din ng ating sakit. Infections and poor sanitation. Kaya panatilihin po nating malinis ang kapaligiran and especially, syempre, yung hygiene po natin para sa sarili. Ayun. Okay, sabi dito, please be informed. Make healthier choices. Protect yourself and your community. Ayan. So, okay, sabi dito, why people need natural food supplements, supporting health, wellness, and better living in modern life. So, bakit nga ba natin kailangan ang natural foods? Nowadays po kasi guys, hindi na po natin kaya na masolusyonan ang lack of of nutrients and vitamins na dapat po natin in-intake every day. So, because of, syempre, sobrang mahal ng mga gulay, prutas. So, talagang kung saan tayo makakatipid, yun na po ang ginagawa natin. So, because of this food supplement, ito po yung mga in-take na kung ano po yung kulang sa katawan natin, siya po yung dinadagdag niya. So, sabi dito, fill nutritional gaps. Sabi dito, modern diets often lack enough vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidant, essential nutrients. Supplements help support daily nutritional needs. Ayan, so nakakatulong po talaga siya. Sabi nga, kailangan po natin mag-take ng different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Kaya lang, hindi po natin kayang inumin or kainin sa isahan lang. Kaya food supplement is the key. Kumbaga, support the immune system. Natural supplements containing vitamins, fruits, vegetables, herbs, or antioxidant may help strengthen immune function and overall wellness. Yan. And then it can increase energy, number 3, and vitality. So, number 4, help protect the body from stress and pollutions, support healthy aging, improve digestive health. So, balikan ko lang po itong support healthy aging. So, di po ba maganda po na dumating man po tayo sa katandaan, at least healthy po tayo, di ba? So, sabi dito, eat well, stay active, stay hydrated, and get enough sleep and live well. Ayan. So meron po tayong magandang product. Ito pang ating Stem C Plus. Is an advanced formula with meron po siyang sodium ascorbate, deer placenta stem cell, jaugulan herb, magnesium glycinate, glycine, inulin fiber, taurine, and zinc. Ayan, napakaganda po ng ating Stem C Plus. Ayan, so search nyo lang po yung kanyang mga ito pong mga active ingredients. So makita nyo po natin na talagang malaki pong maitutulong po sa atin. Ayan, so next. So Stem C Plus, sabi dito, indulge in the pinnacle of wellness innovation with Stem C Plus, a premium alkaline vitamin C supplement infused with the regenerative potency of deer placenta stem cell and the immune boosting properties of zinc. This sophisticated formula synergistically enhances cellular vitality, promotes radiant skin, and support optimal immune function with its carefully balanced alkaline pH. Stem C Plus helps maintain the body's delicate acid-base equilibrium, fostering an environment conducive to peak performance and vitality. Elevate your wellness regimen with the discerning choice of Stem C Plus. So, yun. So, ito po yung 8 powerful benefits for your body. Helps strengthen your immune system, helps treat common colds and symptoms, help reduce risk of chronic diseases, helps manage high blood pressure, help lower risk of heart disease, helps reduce uric acid and prevent gout kasi nga po alkaline po itong ating vitamin C. Promote healthy skin and collagen formation, supports memory and cognitive function. Ayan. So, maganda po ating product. Ayan, Stem C Plus. So, meron po tayong upcoming na ito po yon, Vitalax Elixir or deer placenta stem cell with goji berry, jaugulan herb, and barley, and the other powerful active ingredients. Ito po ay isang healthy juice drink. Ayun. So marami na po nakagamit nito sa amin, and previously kasi meron po kaming nilabas na sample po niya, talaga as in napakarami pong naging testimony. Kaya abangan po natin to, newly packaging po natin. Ayan, so scientific studies, meron po back up po tayo ng scientific studies, just research po sa National Library of Medicine. Ayan po yan, si jaugulan herb, makikita po ninyo, or kanyang pong mismong scientific name, the Gynostemma pentaphyllum. And then ito naman po si acai berry naman, meron siyang 657 scientific studies. Goji or the Lycium barbarum, ayan, meron siyang 2,258 scientific studies. Okay, so ito din po upcoming natin, slimming and whitening coffee. Ayan, napakaganda po nitong product na to. So meron po siyang marine collagen, Garcinia cambogia, green tea extract, glutathione, collagen, inulin fiber, and stevia. Ayan po yun. So next, so Kauri White, ito na po ang ating glutathione. Yan po yan, glutathione with collagen and vitamin C. Ayun, so ito po yung kanyang active ingredients: L-glutathione, sodium ascorbate, alpha-lipoic acid, grapeseed extract, marine collagen, niacinamide, vitamin B3, rosehip extract, zinc, and ito pong Japan technology, the oral sunblock formula. Ayan, coming soon. Pero guys, ito po ang kanyang ilalabas po namin na new packaging po ni Kauri White. Malapit na po ito. On June 10, meron na po tayo nitong Glutathione C. Ayun, glutathione, collagen with vitamin C. Ayan, napakaganda po niyan guys. Skin radiance and support antioxidant support. Ayan. So next, disclaimer. A disclaimer of food supplement is a statement that a product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any diseases. Ayan, syempre, hindi po ito gamot at hindi nakakagamot. Pero po, ito po ay nakakatulong sa atin para mismo yung natural doctor natin sa body, siya po yung gumamot sa ating katawan naturally because of the help of our food supplements. Ayan po yan. So, next, ways to earn. Pag-usapan po natin. So, we have 14 ways to earn. So, meron po tayong members credit bonus, daily engagement reward, product sales incentives, hybrid direct referral, binary plan, network development bonus, lifestyle reward, team sales royalty, retail reward, unilevel bonus, personal sales reward, step up bonus, global pool bonus, and lastly, the dual plan. Ayan, so pag-usapan po natin ang ating compensation plan, how to start in this business. So kung meron tayong magandang product, meron tayong magandang business, syempre. So paano nga ba dito magsimula? So we have 4 simple steps to get started. So ito po yung coming soon natin na magiging automated po ang ating pay-in and pay-out. So once na implemented na po ang ating automated payout, magkakaroon po tayo ng KYC and wallet activation. So, ibig sabihin, once we do a KYC, kailangan po natin ng app ng ID. So, hindi po pwede dito yung mga dami na pangalan. Kailangan active po talaga. Number 2, registration po sa ating website. So, once na naka-fill up ka na po, nakapag-register ka na ng pangalan mo, address, and then you will select a package. Then, after the package, select scan QR to pay. Ayan, pag nag-scan na kayo, nagbayad kayo, tadan, automatic instant payout po yan sa inyo pong mga app lines na mayroon po mga invites. Ayun po, once they activated, gamit ang QRPH na powered by Mocha, instant payout po yan. Ayan, so maiiwasan na po natin yung mga sinasabi ng nawawala yung company, hindi naka-payout. Dito po, hindi mangyayari yan. Kasi bakit? Automated po ang payout natin. Ayun. So next, inclusion. So pag-usapan po natin ang package. So we have starter package, the 1775. Mapipili po kayo kung Vitalux or isa pong STEMC Plus. Ayan po. So meron tayong kapalit. Yun nga po, 100% worth of products, 15% lifetime discount. Ayan po yan. Siyempre, meron po kayong affiliate marketing. Yan po ang ating dashboard, members credit bonus, daily engagement, and members benefits. Ayun. So next package natin is premium package. Premium package naman is 3,550. So mamili po kayo dalawang Vitalux or dalawang STEMC. Pero as of now guys, wala po kayong choice. Kundi STEMC po muna tayo kasi nga yung pong Vitalux Elixir natin as of now is ongoing po ng enhanced packaging po natin. Okay, so 30% naman po ang discount sa premium package. Ayan, so next is the elite package. So kagandahan po ng elite package, meron po yung kapalit na 8 STEMC Plus. At ang kagandahan po niyan guys, 50% lifetime discount. Ayan, siyempre meron din po yung members benefits. Ayan, so okay. Ano nga ba po yung pinagsasabi natin na members benefits? So ito po yan guys, once you become or you avail a starter package, meron po kayo ditong members protection plan. Ayan, so 10,000 po sa natural death, 10,000 sa accident death benefit, dismemberment 10,000 din, assault related injury 2,500, medical assistance, accident hospitalization benefit 300 pesos per day up to 5 days coverage. Ayan po yan. Sa premium package naman po natin, natural death po niya is 20,000, accident naman is 20,000, dismemberment is 20,000, assault related injury benefit to 5,000 medical assistance. So accident hospitalization benefit po niyan is 500 per day up to 5 days. Ayan. So elite package naman, ang kanyang pong natural death assistance naman ay 50,000. Sa death, accidental death is 50,000. Dismemberment is 50,000. Assault-related injury benefit up to 20,000. Accident hospitalization benefit 1,000 per day up to 5 days coverage. So dito po sa NetWise guys, nagbi-business kayo, protektado pa kayo. Yun po yung kagandahan po natin. Kasi meron po tayo members protection plan, libre po yan na tatanggap just in case man. We don't know guys, di ba? So, pero yan po ang kagandahan dyan. So, next. Okay, so ano po ba ang tawag dito? Way para maano po natin to, ma-avail once mangyari man. So, knock on wood, di ba? So, policy details po natin, syempre, kailangan 18 to 65 years old, Filipino citizen or resident here in the Philippines with valid ID and beneficiary information. Coverage po niyan, accidental death benefit if death is caused by the accident. Example, vehicular accident, workplace accident, fire-related accident, falling accident. Ayon, dismemberment assistance naman, loss of one hand, loss of one foot, loss of sight in one eye, loss of two limbs or eyes. Ayan. So, meron po tayo ditong contestability period, guys. So, syempre, libre na nga po ito. So, syempre, once you become a member, kailangan active po kayo within 6 months. So, 6 months from the date of package purchase. Ayan po yan. So, doon na po mag-start ang bilang po niyan for 1 year na tawag dito. 1 year po niya na active po na po ang inyong members protection plan. So, syempre, fraudulent declaration or fake documents will automatically void the policy. Syempre, exclusions. Ayan. The policy does not cover suicide within 1 year, self-inflicted injuries, illegal activities, drug or alcohol intoxication, war on terrorism-related incidents, undeclared pre-existing terminal illness. Ayun. So, syempre, how to claim the benefit. Ito pang mga requirements. For death claims, death certificate, valid IDs, police report if accident, proof of relationship to beneficiary. For hospitalization naman, medical certificate, hospital billing, official receipt, incidents report. Ayan. So, claiming process po natin is 7 to 15 working days. Cash assistance released to beneficiary members. So, plus ang kagandahan po nito, guys. So, syempre, beneficiary natin, yung spouse, parents, children, siblings, or legal partners po yan. So, pero pa po dyan sa ating pong members protection plan, meron pa po tayo, guys, mortuary assistance. Depend on the total accumulated amount of donations. So, yun po yun. So, para naman magagaling naman po yan sa mga members. So, okay, next. Ayun. So, okay. So, introducing, guys, NetWise AI Companion. So, ito po, guys, once natapos po ito, actually, hindi naman po ito free. So, meron po itong subscription, guys. Kung gusto po natin siya magamit, makatulong po sa ating sales. So, ang kagandahan po nito, 24/7 lead engagement. So, replies to leads instantly anytime, boosting conversion. So, ito po, guys, was na meron po nag-engage po dito na customers. So, siya na po mismo magko-close deal. Halos parang kausap po nila is tao na. Ayun, sabi dito, faster sales, answer FAQs, explain products, speed up sales, automated follow-ups, training and duplication. So, napakaganda po itong AI companion po nito or companion. Ayan. So, next. So, pag-usapan na po natin ang compensation plan. So, paano ba to mag-start? So, meron po tayo dito tinatawag na member support and performance incentives. The company offers a member support and performance incentives program designed to assist members in building and managing their product distribution activities through the platform. This program may include activation support credit, engagement-based rewards, and product sales incentives that recognize active participation, consistent platform engagement, and product distribution performance. These initiatives are intended to encourage responsible business activity, promote product awareness, and support the growth of members within the structured marketing environment. So, ayan po yun. So, ayan po ang ating member support and performance incentives. So, paano nga ba yan, guys? So, number 1, members credit bonus. Upon the activation, guys, the company provides a credit bonus to support member as they begin using the platform. This credit serve as company assistance, helping members maximize the available marketing tools and business opportunities. So, ibig sabihin na to, guys, once you activate pa lang, wala pa po kayong invite, makakatanggap po kayo ng 1,000 pesos kung account holder po kayo ng starter. Nasa account nyo po agad dyan. Pag nag-activate kayo ng premium naman, 2,500. Pag elite naman kayo nag-activate is 10,000 pesos. Ayan po yon. So, once na nag-activate po kayo, imagine nyo, wala pa po kayong ginagawa, meron na po agad earnings sa dashboard po ninyo. Kaya, dito, guys, wala po ditong zero income. Okay, number 2, daily engagement reward. Dito, guys, kailangan nyo po na mag-share po kayo ng link from your dashboard going to Facebook or the other affiliate social medias. Ayun, kagaya ng TikTok, Instagram. I-click nyo lang po yung link, i-share nyo lang po yan within 10 days. So, starter or holder po, meron po kayong 100 per day. So, gagawin nyo po yan in 10 days. So, that is total of 1,000. Kung premium naman kayo, 250 per day times 10 is 2,500. Kung elite naman kayo ay 1,000 per day times 10 is additional 10,000. Imagine nyo yung guys, within 10 days, ang dashboard nyo, 2,000 kung starter, total, 5,000 naman for premium, and 20,000 naman for elite holder. Wala pa po kayong invite, guys. So, ang tanong, mawi-withdraw ba yan? Yes, mawi-withdraw po yan. Okay. This reward is designed to encourage consistent platform participation, active product promotion, continuous engagement with marketing tools. Kaya po ito ginawa, guys. Kasi nga, kung tayo gusto natin pumasok sa affiliate marketing business, nahirapan po tayo gumawa ng mga pang-ads or pang-posting. 'Di ba? So, company po nag-provide na niyan, ang gagawin niyo lang, i-share niyo na lang. Hindi na kayo mag-iisip ng caption. Okay? Kaya meron po siyang reward na balik. Okay, so paano ba siya mawi-withdraw, guys? Pera pa po dun sa dalawa, meron po yung product sales incentives. Members may earn 5% in sales incentives from the company product package sales generated based on the company total product sales volume daily. So, ibig po sabihin nito, guys, makikihati pa po tayo sa sales ng company. Binibigay pa pong 5% ng net income ng company. Actually, from the gross pala. So, gross sales po niyan, 5% of that, pinaghahati-hatian po lahat ng members. Everyday po na sales. Okay, so sa starter holder, makakatanggap ka pa ng 2,000, 5,000 naman sa premium holder, at 20,000 naman maximum sa elite holder. Yan po ang ating pong product sales incentives. So, ibig sabihin, guys, ito po ang total yung matatanggap. Sa starter package, meron po kayo matatanggap a total of 4,000. Sa premium naman ay 10,000. Sa elite naman ay 40,000. Combination po ng tatlo, members credit bonus, daily engagement reward, product sales incentives. But, ito po kasing product sales incentives, wala po yung time frame. Hindi po natin alam kung kailan po mapupuno yung 2,000, 5,000, 20,000. Pero, ang kagandahan po niyan, yung product sales incentives na pumapasok na sales daily, wala pong minimum withdrawal yan. Pwede nyo na siyang ma-withdraw. Okay, the question is, paano po yung members credit bonus at daily engagement? Paano po siya mawi-withdraw kung hindi pa po mabubuo yun? Okay, so sabi dito, requirements, members may withdraw their accumulated incentives once total earnings reach at least sa starter. Kailangan yung account po ninyo is naka 4,000 na, premium holder is 10,000, elite is 40,000 total. Mawi-withdraw nyo na po yung credit bonus, daily engagement reward. Product sales incentives, wag nyo i-worry kasi nga withdrawable. Yung 1 and 2, mayroon po siyang minimum withdrawal. 4,000 starter, 10,000 sa premium, 40,000 sa elite. Ibig sabihin, total po yun ha. So, kung may 2,000 na starter holder ng credit bonus at daily engagement, hahabulin mo na lang earnings ay 2,000. So, the total of 4,000. Paano nyo makakuha yan? Trabahuhin nyo po sa binary plan. So, once na naka-accumulate kayo ng 2,000 pesos sa binary plan, matatanggap, mawi-withdraw nyo na rin yung 4,000, yung total ng credit bonus at daily engagement. Okay? So, this ensure that rewards are linked to real product activity and team performance. Ayan po yun. So, next, hybrid direct referral. Ang kagandahan po dito, guys, once na ino-offer nyo po ito, sinishare nyo sa mga prospects po ninyo or target market, ang kagandahan po niyang, guys, lahat po ng multiple accounts na bibilhin po ng inyong partner or new members, lahat po mapupunta sa inyo kasi nga hybrid direct referral po tayo. Hindi po kagaya nung proseso noon. For example, kagaya ito, nag-member po ng premium. 7 accounts times 300, that is 2,1. Papupunta po sa inyo lahat, sa iyo lahat yan once nakapag-invite ka na nag-multiple accounts. Hindi po kagaya noon, na sarili pong tinatawag dito self-referral. Dito po iba, hybrid po tayo. Okay, next, binary plan, compensation plan. So, paano po ang binary natin, guys? 1 left, 1 right is equals to 350 pesos. So, point system po tayo. 1 point left, 1 point right, 350 po ang pairing po natin. So, we have 3 packages. Sa starter kit po ay 1 point. Sa premium bundle ay 2 points. Elite bundle ay 8 points. Ayan po yan. So, wala pong problema dito kahit magkaiba po ang package. Ito po yung sample na illustration po natin, guys. What if sa right po may pumasok na 8 points, sa left naman ay may pumasok na starter or 1 point. Magpe-pairing po yan 350, may iwan po ang 7 points. Ayan, mababawas lang yung 1 point. Pag may pumasok ulit ng 2 points sa left, magpapalo po yan sa ng dalawa sa na remaining na 7 points. May iwan po 5 points silang matitira hanggang sa maubos po yan, guys. Papaluan po ng papaluan yan. So, ibig sabihin, meron po tayong tinatawag na retention or strong leg retention. Ayan po yon. So, point system po tayo. Kaya wag po tayo malito. Okay. Safety net po natin, at least, kailangan po dito magkaroon po kayo ng 2 direct business partners to qualify for pairing and points accumulation. Ibig sabihin, guys, hindi ka pa pwedeng spilloveran ni upline hanggat wala ka pang 2 direct, kasi pag nag-spillover na si upline, yung points po niyan is matatapon na. Kaya kailangan meron po kayo at least 2 directs, which is requirements naman talaga sa networking. Kailangan meron ka talagang 2 invites para mag-leverage ka. 30% flash out, 70% strong leg retention. Ayan. So, hindi po tayo 0-0 dito na flash out. Meron pa rin tayo natitirang 70%. Fifth pair po is lifestyle points. So, magkano ba ang maximum income ni starter kit? Maximum pairs po natin is 20 pairs per day. 2 cycle po yan. 10 pairs sa umaga, 10 pairs sa gabi. So, maximum per day po niya is 5,600, 39,200 per week, 168,000 per month. Sa premium bundle naman natin, maximum of 40 pairs per day, 2 cycle, 20 pairs sa umaga, 20 pairs sa gabi, 11,200 per day, 78,400 per week, 336,000 per month. Sa elite bundle naman natin ay 60 pairs per day. So, 30 sa umaga, 30 sa gabi, 16,800 per day, 117,600 per week, and 504,000 per month. Ayan po yung ating pong safety net. Okay, so sample po niyan, AM and PM cycle. Sa umaga po, mag-pair ka 1, 2, 3, 4. Pairing. Sa fifth pair po natin is 1 point. Yan po yung lifestyle po natin. So, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ganun din po. So, 10 is fifth pair. Ulit yan. So, 11 pairs onward, flash out na po yan. Pag may pumalo pa ulit, 30% flash out po yan. 70% retention. So, maghintay ka na ng hapon. Okay? So, yan po yon. Next. Advantage ng multiple accounts versus single account. What if naka-invite po kayo ng 8? Ayan. So, ito po ang kikitain po ninyo. Pag naka 1 account ka lang, magpe-pairing po kayo ng 4 times 350 equals 1,400. Sa direct referral naman, times 300 is 2,400. So, kita nyo po is 3,800 pag naka-single account ka lang. Ang kagandahan po ng naka-multiple accounts po kayo, what if ever din, mag-invite kayo ng 8 din, ito po ang kikitain ninyo, guys. So, total is 6,600. Same effort po ang ginawa but different income or different result. Yan po ang kagandahan ng multiple accounts. Ayan. So, next. So, network development bonus. Ang kagandahan naman ito, guys, kumikita ka na sa binary, nagkakaroon ka pa ng posisyon. So, kaya dito, meron po tayong 2 directs na requirements. Kasi nga, para po yan din sa position din na requirements. Kailangan, meron kang 2 directs. Pag may nag 100 points sa left, 100 points sa right, kahit pa spill over yung binigay sa kaliwa or sa kanan, tapos yung kabila, ikaw nagtrabaho, nag-pairing, 100 points. Pairing or 100 points sa left sa right, may 5,000 ka. Builders, 25,000 bonus. Team leader naman ay 50,000. Senior leader naman ay 100,000 ang cash bonus. Pero tingnan nyo, guys, ang mga requirements. Sa builder po, 2 senior associate partners. I-build nyo po yan, 500 points sa left, 500 points sa right. Sa team leader naman, 3 builders partner naman ang i-build po ninyo. 1,000 points sa left, 1,000 points sa right, may 50,000 cash ka. Kung gusto mo naman maging senior leader para magka 100,000 cash ka, yung tatlo i-build mo as team leader, 2,000 points sa left, 2,000 points sa right. And then, to become a director naman, kailangan mo na ng 4 senior leaders na develop 5,000 points left, 5,000 points right. At kung gusto mo na magkaroon ng sasakyan, BYD Seal 5. For directs po ninyo, i-develop nyo po as director, 10,000 points sa left, 10,000 points sa right. Executive director naman para sa BYD Sea Lion 6. For senior director naman, 20,000 points sa left, 20,000 points sa right. Kung gusto mo naman na magka-brand yung Mustang EcoBoost, kailangan nyo na ng 6 executive directors. 40 points sa left, 40,000 points sa right. At kung gusto mo naman ng Toyota Land Cruiser or Nissan Patrol, 6 elites director, ang kailangan nyo pong i-develop at 80,000 points sa left, 80,000 points sa right. Ayan po yun. So, ito pong mga sasakyan na to, convertible po itong into cash kung ayaw po ninyong sasakyan. Okay? So, next, lifestyle reward, yung fifth pair po yan, pag-usapan natin yan. So, every time na makaka-accumulate po kayo ng fifth pair, dito po yan, redeemable po yan. For example, sa G-Shock, 2,000 lifestyle points. So, sample lang po itong mga points ha, hindi po ito final. So, possible na lumiit pa po ito para ma-avail nyo lang po ang lifestyle reward. Ayan. So, lahat po yan, ay ang kagandahan sa fifth pair natin is redeemable. Okay? So, hindi po siya product. Next, leadership royalty. Ayan. So, leadership royalty reward, guys, ang kagandahan po dito, kailangan nyo po talaga i-develop yung mga downlines ninyo para kumita pa po kayo ng kumita. Kailangan dito, you must have at least 5 directs para po mag-start ang leadership royalty reward. Ibig sabihin, pag kumita po sila guys sa binary, example 1 million, may 50,000 cash ka. Bonus. Hindi po yung ibabaw sa kanila kasi nga leadership royalty reward yan. Reward po sa'yo ng company. Kasi ikaw yung nagdala ng leader sa company at tinulungan mo silang i-build, binigyan ka pa ng company ng 5% sa kanilang mga pairing. Ayan. So, retail reward. Sa benta-benta naman po natin guys. So, kung mahilig po kayo magbenta, ito po ang kagandahan pag naka-elite package po kayo. So, 50% discount kasi ang SRP po ng Vitalax Elixir and STEMC Plus ay 1,775. Pag elite po kayo, 887.50 na lang po siya. Okay, so kung makabenta ka ng 10, meron kang 8,875 pesos. Sa Cafinia naman ay 648 ang SRP, 324 po pag once na elite ka na. So kung makabenta ka ng 10 kape everyday, may 3,240 ka. Okay na rin po siyang sideline magbenta-benta, di ba? So you can enjoy the benefit ng 15 up to 50% once you become a member. Pero elite talaga pinakamaganda kasi nga 50% discount. So unilevel rewards. Sa unilevel rewards naman po natin guys, meron po tayong mga points. So point system po ito. So 25 points na sa STEMC Plus, 25 points ang Vitalax Elixir, Caffeine naman is 5 points. So dito guys, to enjoy the unilevel rewards, kailangan meron po kayo maintenance at least 100 PB, but this is not mandatory. Kung wala pa po nag-maintain sa ilalim niyo, hindi pa naman kailangan. Pero kung magaling kayo magbenta at mga downline niyo nagbebenta-benta na rin, kailangan niyo po ng 100 PV para ma-maximize po ninyo ang income sa unilevel o repeat purchase. So every time na may nag-repeat purchase po niyan, kikita kayo ng PB base. Okay, so ang 1 PV po is equivalent of 1 peso. So kung nagme-maintain po ng tig 100 PV, for example, nandun ka na sa pinakamataas na posisyon which is the 55%, ibig sabihin, bawat ulo meron po kayong 55 pesos. Kung mayroon kang invite na 4 na members, times 55 pesos, that is 220 pesos. So, leverage by 4, up to 10th level, yan po ang total earnings nyo. That is 76,895,500. Okay, masyadong malaki. Sabihin na lang natin, ang nangyari, 10%. That is 7.6 million. 1% na lang. Okay, makatotohanan, 768,955. Yan po ang kagandahan pag once na nakapag-build po kayo ng empire or grupo na magaling pong nag-duplicate at nag-maintain na lang po ng tigo 100 points per month. So, dyan nyo po may enjoy ang unilevel. Okay? So, kung nakakasobra naman kayo ng 100 PV, dito naman papasok si personal sales bonus. Ayan. So, magkano naman po dyan? So, kinukuha naman sa 100 PV na extra po doon sa 100 PV na maintenance ninyo is 30%. So 30 times 5 pesos is equivalent of 150. Ibig sabihin, 1 PSB po kasi is 5 pesos. Okay. So next, step up bonus. Ito po yung ranking. Yun po yung sa Unilevel guys. Once you join a company, 15% ka pa lang sa Unilevel. So ibig sabihin, 15 ka pa lang sa lahat na nagme-maintain sa ilalim mo. So once na nade-develop po kayo into supervisor, manager, national director, ambassador, so dyan po tumataas ang inyong position. Ayan po yan. So accumulative po ito. So okay, pag na-hit nyo na position, hindi na po kayo madedemote. Okay? So meron pa po yung Global Ambassador, Gold Global Ambassador, Diamond Global Ambassador, Platinum Global Ambassador. Ayan po ang mga ranking po natin. And then the bonuses. Ayan. So next, number 13 is the Global Sales Bonus. You will earn additional 5 to 10% annually from the company global net sales. Pag na-hit nyo po ang National Director or Global Ambassador, ibig sabihin, what if guys, naging brand ambassador po kayo, yung 55%. Pag na-hit nyo po yan, what if nagkaroon po ng 100 million sales po ang company? So, ibig sabihin 10% of that is 10 million. So, kung 10 kayo na nakahit ng brand ambassador, ibig sabihin meron po kayong tigwa 1 million bawat isa. Yan po ang global sales bonus. Ayan. So next, ayan, pag-usapan po natin to guys. Sabi dito, gusto mo bang malaman para kung ano gagawin itong business ng simple at madali? Simple and easy way. Okay? So, paano po yan? Kung excited ka na guys, ituturo po namin sa inyo ang tinatawag na Millionaire's Game Plan. Okay? Paano yan guys? Ganito lang po kasi simple yan. This is the Millionaire's Game Plan. Okay? So dito guys, itinuturo po namin ang power of 4x4 automated system. Ang gagawin nyo lang po dyan guys, recommendation dito, at least mag-avail ka ng minimum 3 account para sa sarili mo. Then next, maghanap po kayo ng tao na 4 na friends, nakakilala na hindi kayo kayang tanggihan at gusto rin mabago ang buhay, gusto rin mag-business na mag-a-avail ng tigta 3 account, and then just teach them to do the same. So, ano yung ituturo po natin guys? Avail minimum 3 accounts, refer at least 4 friends, and get at least minimum of 3 accounts each, and teach them to do the same. Yan lang po ang ituturo natin. Wala na pong maraming compensation plan. Once na nagawa po ninyo to, the compensation plan will follow. Let's see the result after 3 to 7 months. Okay? So, pag nagawa nyo po yan na nag 4x4 system po kayo, ganito po mangyayari niyan guys. Ikaw, naka-invite po kayo ng 4 on your first month. Sabihin po natin. So, ibig sabihin guys, kung naka-invite ka ng 4 na starter package kayo lahat, kikita ka ng 700 pesos. Second month, naka-invite ng tig-4 po yung na-invite nyong 4. So, meron kang 2,800. Hindi po ikaw nag-invite niyan. Yung 16, naka-invite ng tig-4. May 11 to ka ulit kikitain, naka-invite ng tig-4, a total of 955,500. Hindi nyo na po kilala ang second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth na mga tao. Ang kilala nyo lang dyan yung 4. Nag-leverage lang po sila ng tig-4. Ganun lang po kasimple ang business na to. At endless po yan. Hindi na po mapipigilan yan. Basta gawin nyo lang po itong automated 4x4 system, I'm sure mas mapapadali po ang pag-hit nyo ng millions po dito guys. What if hindi 1 month nangyari, yung 4 nakuha mo within 1 week, yung 4 nakuha naman nila within 2nd week, 3rd week, 4th week, 5th, 6th, ibig sabihin guys, 1.5 month kaya nyo pong kitaan ng 955,000. Imagine that, starter pa lang po yan. Syempre, mag-a-upgrade po yan. Pag nag-upgrade yan guys into premium. Ayan. So, ang kikitain mo naman, 1.4, 5.6, 22,400, 89.6, 358,400, 1.4 million, a total of 1.9 million guys. Pag yung mga naka-starter sa ilalim nagsi-upgrade din, yan po ang kikitain ninyo. At nag-upgrade din sila guys sa elite. Okay, so magkano? So ito naman ang kikitain mo guys. In 6 months or 6 weeks na ginawa po ninyo na nag-duplicate at nag-upgrade lang ng account or package. Kung gusto nyong mabilisan talaga, malakasan agad ang income, then mag-elite po kayo agad. Ito po ang possible nyong kitain within 6 months. Hindi po ito katang-isip lang, kundi totoo po itong mangyayari pag once sinunod nyo po yung nakalagay po doon. Anong gagawin? Avail 3 accounts, invite 4 friends na a-avail din ng 3 accounts and teach them to do the same. Ganun lang po ang gagawin. Then continuous na po yan. Pag nakuha mo na yung 4 mo, pwede ka na magpahinga. Sila naman 4 ang tutukan mo, makakuha ng 4. Ganun po ang tamang pag-network. Pumapasok po tayo sa network marketing to leverage, hindi po para mag-recruit ng napakarami. 4 lang enough na. Yan po ang possible yung kitain. Paano kung 8 ginawa mo? Nag-duplicate ng tig-8, di mas matindi. Ito nga pinag-usapan natin, 4 pa lang, di ba? So endless po yan. Okay? So ganun po siya kasimple guys. Paano naman pang payout natin dito? Meron po tayong weekly payout. Ayan, so meron din po tayong daily. So soon, yun po yung automated na payout po natin through Mocha. So pwede po tayo dito mag-payout GoTime, GCash, Maya, Union Bank, and BDO. Pero once na automated po tayo, yun po mismong ating sariling e-wallet, which is the Mocha. Yun po ang ating gagamitin. Okay, or any banks. So next, pag-usapan po natin ng payout system and donations. So once nag-process po kayo ng payout dito, meron po tayong deduction 5% na tax and 5% na admin fee, a total of 10%. So next, ano pa po yan? Meron tayong voluntary donations. So nasa sa atin po kung magkano po ang pwede natin i-donate. Pwedeng 100, 50, 20 piso, wala pong problema doon. Habang naiipon po yan, mapupunta po yan sa outreach program. Tutulong po tayo sa mga mahihirap na tao. Pupunta po tayo dun sa mga lugar na hindi po naabot ng gobyerno at dun po sa mga nangangailangan ng tulong. Ayan. So magkakaroon tayo ng outreach program at target po natin hopefully is every quarterly. Then 10% po ng donation, 20% po ng donation, mapupunta po yan sa mortuary fund. Ayan. So ibig sabihin guys, once na member po kayo dito, sabihin natin na may nangyari, ayan po, may tulong pa rin po ang ating mga members. Yan po ang mortuary fund. Pera pa po doon sa members benefits po na matatanggap po natin. So sabi ito, supporting communities, securing families, making a difference together. Ayan, may tulungan system po tayo dito or damayan. Okay, so next, meron po tayong promo guys until May 31 na lang po ito. So once mag-avail po kayo ng 3 starter package, may libre po kayo na 1 STEMC Plus. At meron pa kayong additional 4 na free slot. Ito lang po ang inabil ninyo. 7 na agad ang account nyo. So next, premium package na 3. Meron kayong free additional 3 bottles of STEMC. Plus meron kayong 4 free slot na premium din. And once you avail 3 package po ng Elite, meron kayong libre na 12 bottles additional na free STEMC plus 4 free slot. Ibig sabihin, naka 7 heads na po kayong Elite. Until May 31 na lang po ito. Okay? So, next. Sabi ito, one thing is certain. If you don't try anything, then everything will stay the same. Kung hindi po kayo magta-try ng kakaiba, kung ano yung naging kayo ngayon, yun po ang bunga ng ginawa nyo po noon. Kaya kung magde-decide po kayo ngayon, yun po ang magiging resulta ng kinabukasan po natin. Kaya sumabay po kayo dito kung gusto niyo pumabago ang buhay ninyo. But before you decide, ask yourself, masaya ka pa ba sa current financial situation mo? Do I have enough free time to spend with family or do the things I enjoy? Yan po yan. Kung hindi nyo na po nai-enjoy yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin sa buhay dahil sa napipigilan ka sa ginagawa mo sa ngayon at paulit-ulit mo lang ginagawa at pabalik-balik ka lang walang nangyayari, subukan nyo po ito. Ang tanong din sa sarili mo, naka-prepare ka na ba para sa retirement mo? How old you are? Meron ka pa bang lakas sa ngayon? At healthy ka pa ba? To enjoy life. So, mas masarap guys, mag-retire po ng maaga. 'Di ba? Early retirement. Dahil po dito sa platform natin, lalo kung gagawin natin ang 4x4 system, mapapadali po ang retirement natin. Imagine mo, kung kitain mo 6 months, magkaroon ka ng million guys, imposible hindi ka po mag-resign. Siyempre, magre-resign ka ng maaga, i-business mo na yun ng traditional, may puhunan ka na eh. Yun naman ang aim natin, magtrabaho, di ba? Para kumita, masustento ng family, magkaroon ng panghanap buhay. Pero kung eto po na hanap buhay, maliit na kapital at meron pong possibility na kumita ng malaki, magkaroon ka ng early retirement, why not guys? Subukan po ninyo. Sabi dito, once you decide and take action, that's where the change of your life cycle will take place. Dadali po kayo dyan guys sa bagay na gusto po ninyo once mag-decide po kayo ngayon. At gawin po natin to, take action. Okay, so yun lamang guys. And thank you so much, to God be the glory. Okay, so yung pong nag-share po sa inyo ng video na to guys, balikan po ninyo at mag-usap po kayo kung ano pong magiging desisyon ninyo sa napanood po ninyo. Okay? So yun lamang po at thank you so much sa mga nakinig. Okay? God bless po sa inyong lahat.